Need a reliable CCTV camera installation and services? At Sapphire Technical Solutions, we provide the best CCTV camera installation services across Karachi and provide each of our clients with the precise and required counseling regarding the camera installation. For your continuous surveillance need, we also provide IP cameras that have grown greatly in demand over the years. Sapphire Technical Solutions provides complete security and surveillance to your valuable assets via IP CCTV camera installation and services. Our products are reliable, high-tech, advanced, and efficient. The IP CCTV camera installation acts best to keep a check on your employees, maids, visitors, etc. At Sapphire Technical Solutions, attain complete security services solutions under one roof. To receive premium services at a highly reasonable price, you should contact us ASAP. Our representative will surely and gladly best cater to all your queries and concerns.